Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to resize all your images to the exact same size at once in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a massive time saver. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint slide and insert your pictures. You will notice they usually drop in with different sizes and aspect ratios. To fix this instantly, press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the images on your slide. Next, right-click on one of the selected pictures and choose Size and Position from the drop-down menu. A Format panel will open on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and expand the size section. Here is the most important step. You must uncheck the box that says Lock Aspect Ratio. If you skip this, PowerPoint will restrict your changes to keep the original image proportions. Once that box is unchecked, simply type your exact height and width. For example, type 3 for the height and 3 for the width and press Enter. Instantly, all your selected images will snap to those exact dimensions. You can now easily drag them into a neat grid or apply a quick border to all of them at the same time. It is that simple. If this quick tip saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.